Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm your girl Mercy. I know it's been a while since I posted a video, but today I'm back with another video. So give this video a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. And if you're new, welcome. So let's get into the video. So guys, let me take you through the things that I'll be using for the video. First, I have some eco styling gel, and I wasn't sure if this was going to be enough, so I added a different type. Yeah, some combs, coconut oil, and mzizi water, rose water, and also some pins that I'll be using to hold my hair. Yeah, so that's it. Let's get started. this is the final look, guys. Tell me what you think and rate it from 0 to 10 and tell me what you think about it in the comment section below. Let me bring it closer so that you can see. And if you haven't subscribed already to my channel, please subscribe, share with your friends, and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you for watching the video till the end. Let's meet on the next video. Bye.